Welcome back to Cajun Head TV. I'm Walter, and today we're having red beans and rice and honey butter cornbread. So you already know how we do. We wash our hands, we prep our food, and we get this thing fired up. First, we're gonna start off cutting up our smoked sausage. And I'm using Amanda's hot smoked sausage, so to give my red beans a little kick to them. Without having to add any cayenne pepper. So now we're about to cut up our Holy Trinity, which consists of an onion, bell pepper, and celery. So let's get that started. All right, now that we got that finished, we're gonna move on to our celery. All right, now that we got that finished, we're gonna move on to our bell pepper. All right, now that we got our Holy Trinity and our smoked sausage prepped, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing fired up. We're gonna use our crusty Dutch oven, and we're gonna fry our smoked sausage first. Holy Trinity. Now we're gonna add in some beef garlic. Now we're gonna take this ham bone from Thanksgiving dinner. Now we're gonna use unsalted chicken broth. Beans won't be too salty. So now we're gonna add our red beans that we soaked overnight. We might have to change pots, but we're gonna attempt to cook this for 2 hours in this pot. All right, now that our beans is cooking, we're gonna let that cook down a little bit more. Until then, we're gonna move on to our honey butter cornbread. So let's get to it. We're gonna use 2 cups. And that's 2 cups. We're gonna use 2 large eggs. We're gonna do 1/2 cup of sugar. We're gonna do 1 cup of buttermilk. And we're gonna do 1/4 cup of honey. And we're gonna do 1/2 cup of melted butter. Now that we got our butter melted in the bottom of our cast iron skillet, we're gonna pour this on in there. Now, oven is set at 400 degrees and we're gonna bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. Right, it's time to add our smoked sausage. We're gonna let this cook down for another hour. Now we're gonna drizzle some honey butter on top of our cornbread. Red beans and rice, honey butter cornbread made from scratch. Thank you for tuning in to Cajun Head TV. Thanks for watching.